Hi everyone, this is Yed from ZTech channel and welcome back to this new unboxing. Actually, I was lucky to get hands on the handmade SensoLatino sunglasses. Let's check that out. So guys, what we get in the box, actually, as you see here, the touch of the box from the outside is just like carbon fiber, and also the carrying box. As we see here, we get like a premium or VIP card here with this sunglasses. I don't know what you can do with it, but maybe it will be useful. Just an international card, and as we see here also you will get some like information about them page on Facebook and Instagram, and there is also some books information or guide information about the sunglasses. And here we have also some stickers of the SensoLatino of the mark, and here we have also the microfiber cloth to clean the sunglasses. It's really something like I really like, just to clean the sunglasses. You can also, I believe, use it to clean also your laptop screen or something like this, or maybe your screen itself. And let's open the carrying box. As we see here we have, and as we see here we get the sunglasses inside an Italian flag, as we see here, and with some letters on it made with love. So, and let's get the glasses out of its case. As you see here, it's polarized sunglasses, so that means that it reflects the picture in the lenses. As you see here also, this one is metallic, so it's not a plastic as many of cheap sunglasses. And as we see here also, they just write a SensoLatino logo actually on the bar of the chamber. SensoLatino designed, and as we see here also. The models that they have until now, Italia, they call the name of the model, it's like this one, it's just about like some city's name. And so Italia, Dubai, Napoli, Rome. This is actually for men. For a woman, Monaco, Aviano, Miami, St. Tropez. Of course, the link of the website, you will find it in the description. And they have also many different colors on the website, so feel free to check the website to choose which color you wanted to buy. Actually, all my sunglasses is polarized, and this is really one of the greatest brand that I get. After wearing and use it for a few days, my impression is so good. And yeah, it's really something I really like it, and it just fit into my head and just precise the size of my head. What I mean with that I don't have actually space between the chamber and my head, so it's not going to the right or to the left or up or down. It just fit on my head, and they are designed with 100% UV protection, and with high quality tag lens, and with anti-fatigue, without optical distortion, strength the contrast, and important one, also accuracy, color, and many of characteristic. And the most disadvantage of a polarized sunglasses, that when you are walking or cycling or do some activities and the sun is on your back, then the sun will come in that lens, and so it will reflect to your eyes, and it's sometimes I feel it's just noise. It's annoying actually to have just sun reflective of the sun in here in your eyes, because as we know, our vision is just wide vision. So that's maybe something you just need to know actually. There is of course difference between polarized lens and the normal lens. What is the difference? That will come in another video, so be sure to be subscribe and share. And if you like my video, please give a like, share, subscribe, and see you of course with a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.